Hey there, savvy viewers. If you've recently tied the knot, gone through a divorce, or legally changed your name for any reason, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to change your name on a credit card in 2025. This process is straightforward, but staying on top of it ensures your financial documents match your ID, helping you avoid any hassles at checkout or during travel. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, you need to gather your documents. Start with official proof of your name change, like a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or a court order. Make sure it's current and matches what you want on your card. Next, contact your credit card issuer. Most major companies like Visa, MasterCard, or issuers such as Chase or American Express have dedicated customer service lines or online portals for this. Head to their website or give them a call. Be prepared to verify your identity with your account details. Once you're connected, explain that you're requesting a name change and provide the necessary documentation. They might ask you to email, fax, or upload scans of your proof. Pro tip: keep copies for your records. Now, after submission, the processing time can vary. In 2025, many issuers aim for 5 to 10 business days, but it could take longer depending on your location and the company. While you wait, double-check if you need to update your name on other accounts, like bank statements or loyalty programs, to keep everything consistent. If you encounter any issues, such as delays or rejections, follow up politely with customer service. They're there to help. Remember, accuracy is key to prevent fraud, so double-check all details before finalizing. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have your credit card reflecting your new name in no time. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay smart and see you next time.